Hey guys, so welcome to the unboxing for Jersey Shore Season 2 Uncensored Version unboxing. Let's put it here. I'm doing it downstairs in the basement because I have nowhere else to do it. So here's the back. Can't really see it that well. I'll show everything again when the thing's off. So, touch hands. Oh my god. There we go. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. There. Okay. Okay. So, here it is. There's the front, back. Now open it. So these are the discs for Season 2. It's the disc 1. Oh. Crap. Okay, disc 2, 3, and 4. So this one is broken. The little things came off, but I don't care that much. So, alright, that is Season 2 of Jersey Shore. Now as I said, I'm gonna get Season 3 in the next Amazon buy, which I'm buying Friday or Saturday, because I got a job and now I get paid. But I'm also getting another season, starting another season. I haven't seen any episodes from it, but my friend loves it, so I'm going to try it out, and you'll see when it gets here. So, alright, so in the next video, we will see the unboxing and review for Heroica. I'm not, well, I'll do, you know what, I'll do the unboxing and, how to play. I'm not gonna, like, build it or anything, or, alright, so I'll see you then.